Hey guys, Big Nate here. So I came across some old footage that I thought I'd lost of a trip we took back in 2015 up to Colorado. While we were there, we took a Jeep excursion from a little town called Marble, Colorado to a more or less a ghost town of Crystal, Colorado. We enjoyed this so much, as soon as we got back we bought our first Jeep. Now we're into two of them. What I'll do is I'll put a picture or two of our first Jeep in the end of this video, and of course y'all have seen my other Jeep, but I'll include a video of it as well. Well, I hope you enjoy.
Those mailboxes that we just passed there, those are the mailboxes that handle mail for the rest of the valley. Actually, the people of the town of Crystal have to come down here to get their mail. Alright, I'm just gonna get out and lock the hubs real quick. We're starting on the four-wheel drive.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make.
You got it?
Yep.
And make sure you warn Mason that if you fall in here, it's very likely that you'll die in the river.
Okay.
It's a risk.
Hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you. Walk with me.
Alicia, are you freaking out right now?
Just a little bit. But it's pretty.
Now, right here, this little creek that runs through town, that's the stuff that the Outward Bound kids were digging out. You can see all the plants chopped down recently. This provides metal pipe, actually. You see there, the black pipe provides all their drinking water for the area.
Oh.
So they actually just run that pipe high enough up on the mountain and get all their water from that. They tested it and it's actually cleaner than municipal water. All but two of the houses here are original houses from the town of Crystal. This one was a really nicely redone cabin that's owned by a guy named Rob up here. And as you can see, he likes keeping all his hard liquor cool here, or all his liquor in general cool with the stream.
Oh, he does. Look at it. He got champagne.
Then that wooden deck over there, he's building a dance floor for his daughter's wedding up here.
Aw.
It's just such a pretty place for a wedding.
Yeah, it would.
Not too many invites though.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, you invite as many people as you want, but when they see how you have to get there, they don't show up. That way you don't hurt anybody's feelings.
So this town had a population of around 300 back in the 1880s, 1890s time. Which is the current summer population of Marble, if you can imagine that. The town was actually big enough to warrant having a lawyer in it, and the lawyer would help settle mining disputes and patents on the mines and stuff like that. The lawyer, I guess, was getting lonely up here because he brought in a mail order bride from Boston. Now on the left here, this is the print house, the old print house and mail house. The print house ran 2 newspapers out of it, and the mailman would actually go back over Schofield Pass, which we just passed back there, to go into Crested Butte, 15 miles one way about, and he'd do that 3 times a week in the summer, hike it, and then he'd ski it 3 times a week in the winter.
Wow.
We have a general store right over here to our left. That's a cool little shop to go in. It's still open today. That was the original general store building too. This stone path right here leads back to the outhouse. I have toilet paper if you need it. Then the Crystal Club is up here. The Crystal Club used to be a town hall and a dance hall. After it was a town hall and a dance hall, then it became a dance hall, a bar, and a one-woman brothel on the 2nd floor. So she had her work cut out for her up there.
Yeah, she did.
And up here on the left, this is the Crystal Tail Books. The bookstore is run by a man named Roger Neal. He's in there right now. Roger's been coming up here since 1948.
Oh, wow.
Every single summer. He was a school teacher in Indiana for quite a while, and he still goes home there in the winter. He knows all the history on the area. He has a history book, a bunch of spooky stories, and he has a book full of stupid stuff that people do in Jeeps up here, so that one's pretty amusing.
Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me down the road. There's sunshine and light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints.
Holy smokes. That's amazing. That's simply amazing.